Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening Taskbar settings directly, right-click an empty area of the taskbar and choose Taskbar settings. This ensures you're in the correct control panel and you won't waste time hunting through menus. Once done, make sure you have permission to change system settings. If Windows prompts for admin approval, accept it. You do this to access alignment, lock, and auto-hide options. This step sets up the environment so the following changes apply reliably and persist after reboots. Now, lock and align the taskbar so it stays put. First, toggle lock the taskbar on. This prevents accidental moves. Next, set taskbar alignment to bottom in the settings. This is the explicit instruction Windows needs to keep it there. Also, disable auto-hide unless you want it hidden, and verify behavior on multiple displays by checking the multi-display options. These choices prevent snap or drift. By combining lock, alignment, and hide settings, you reduce the common causes of a moved taskbar. Finish by confirming changes and restarting Explorer if the taskbar still moves. Open Task Manager, find Windows Explorer, and restart it. This reloads the shell with your new settings. If problems persist, update display drivers and install Windows updates because driver issues can reposition the taskbar. And as a last resort, reset taskbar preferences. Unpin items, unlock, change alignment, then lock again. If none of that works, one key troubleshooting tip. Try creating a new user account to determine if the issue is profile-specific.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.